This is how you can add a fill pattern from the design centre around an embroidery design. There are 10 fill patterns in total, and you can change the scaling of them to adjust the size. In embroidery, select your design and if you want to rotate or resize this design, this would be the time to do it. If not, press Edit and select the Stamp tool. Decide the distance that you want the outline to be away from the design. And as we increase this, you can see the outline moving away. Once happy with the distance, save the outline into the design centre. And before proceeding any further, you must save this design into the memory of the machine. The next step is to press Home and go into the design centre. We now need to recall the outline from the stamp menu in the shapes. We can see our outline here. We also need to add a border around this for our fill pattern by going back into Shapes, selecting the frame options, and then selecting the frame that you want to border your design with. In the region fill properties here, we can select the menu and find the new fill patterns through here, and you can see the 10 new designs. I'm going to select this floral fill and I'm going to change the colour. And now select the fill bucket, and by tapping the area between the design outline and the frame, I can add the fill pattern. Press Next, and you can now see the settings menu. If I wanted to alter the scaling of the fill pattern, either make it bigger or smaller, I can do so by pushing the percentage button here. The minimum scaling for the fill patterns is 50%, and the maximum scaling is 200% of the original. I could also change the direction of the fill pattern, and I can decide whether I want it to stitch a border outline or not. For now, I'm going to preview and we can now see we have a fill pattern with a space in the centre for us to add our design back in. I'm happy with that, so I'm going to press Set, and we have now been taken back to Embroidery Edit. Add, Machine Memory, and recall the saved design. That is now perfectly lined up with our new fill pattern around it. Embroidery, and your design is now ready to be stitched out.